What? He turned. He turned in the face of danger, and they get a kill. LMQ, he's gonna live through that ignite. That's not gonna do more than 200 damage to him. He's also drinking a potion.
Doesn't even burn his heal.
No.
And the fight continues.
Oh my gosh, Cutie Pie goes from 50 to 0 in a second. Crumbs is not in the right spot, but Zion Spartan dives in, walls off Xiaowei Zhao's damage, and it looks like they're gonna be able to take out No Name here. He just went down, but gold is gold. They're gonna be able to pick up more.
Fight has gotten a whole lot messier than LMQ really wanted. Vasily still low, hasn't made it back to base. Pops his shield, goes for kill.
They're trying to fight everything with hardly any mana. Can't finish that one. What? Beautiful repel by Crumbs. Gets one last shot out with the Q. Calls out the power, and he gets a shutdown there. You can see the sword onto Zion Spartan. It was only a little shutdown, not a huge amount of gold.
Oh, more.
Shifter, so slow. They're waiting for Vasily. One more shot. Kind of.
Give the kill away.
Just close. Almost. Oh, more.
Yeah.
Secures it.
A little bit worried that Vasily wouldn't make it into range there. Yikes.